What's up, girls? So you know your complexion and your skin is already looking soft and beautiful, except that you have acne spots still hanging on your face. You have discolorations on your body in the form of accident scars, mosquito bites. I know some of you have even commented that, oh, my feet has dark patches and I can't seem to get it off. In today's video, we are going to fix body hyperpigmentation and of course face hyperpigmentation. So if that sounds like something that you're interested in, first of all, I want you to make sure that you subscribe, turn on post notifications, because every time I post, it is an opportunity to learn something new and to step up your skincare. Our agenda for today is what's the difference between hyperpigmentation and hypopigmentation. Secondly, we are going to cover face care products that you can use for hyperpigmentation. And then thirdly, we are going to cover products that you can use to get rid of hyperpigmentation on your body. So let's jump into the first segment, which is what is the difference between hyperpigmentation and hypopigmentation. They are not the same thing. I read in my comment section from one of you complaining that, oh, Eniola, I particularly have white patches on my legs and I have tried everything that I can in the form of brightening products and it has not gone. And that brings me to define what hypopigmentation means. And this is it on the screen. Hypopigmentation is a situation whereby the melanin on certain spots of your skin is reduced in production, hence making that part of your skin seem to look white or even fairer than other parts of your skin. Here is a picture here. So if you particularly have white patches on your body or on your neck or on your chest occurring in certain parts of your body, that is called hypopigmentation. It can be due to allergic reactions, dermatitis, the use of bleaching products that contain hydroquinone, mercury, or even lead. That is the worst case scenario. But I'm trying to say that hypopigmentation means reduction in melanin production in certain spots on your skin that then makes that place have a little bit of a white patch, or that makes that place especially fairer than the other parts of your skin. The most common one most people in Africa and most people with a deeper melanin skin tone have is usually hyperpigmentation, and that is excess production of melanin on certain spots on your body, on your face, due to what? Acne that has healed up, inflammation, rashes, dermatitis. Sometimes it can even be a flare-up. You just started noticing that spots and tiny bumps started occurring on your face, and after they healed up, it left tiny dark spots. The reason why your acne turns into hyperpigmentation, or why your mosquito bites, your accident scar turns into hyperpigmentation, is the body is trying to heal itself. So it rushes melanocytes to go to that particular part of your skin, and that causes that place to produce excess melanin that attempts to heal that part of your skin. Your body is just doing its natural job of healing your skin. Now, when you now top that up with excess sun exposure, that amplifies what should ordinarily be, or your skin is healing, to then hyperpigmentation. So let's now jump into face care products for hyperpigmentation, and I'm going to give you guys a winning formula today, a winning formula, and the formula is gentle cleanse plus exfoliate plus topical serum. That is the formula. Now please note, this only applies if you have acne spots on your face, on your neck, or on your chest, or on visible areas. These are topical products for face care, and your face includes your face hair, your neck, and some parts of your chest. This only applies if you have acne spots. Sis, there is no need for you to change your entire skincare routine if your skin is soft, smooth, and blemish free. But if you have blemishes on your face, this formula is for you. Now we are going to switch out your salicylic acid cleanser with a gentle cleanser. The mistake a lot of people make is this: when you're trying to fix hyperpigmentation, they start using a lot of harsh products, and that just allows the skin barrier to be disrupted, and honestly your skin is not even going to heal that way. So you're going to switch up your salicylic acid cleanser to a normal gentle cleanser, and this simple Mesle one is a good one. The Bioma one here is a good one. You want to go for a cleanser that does not have a lot of actives, because the actives are still gonna come and you don't want your skin to be disrupted right from cleansing. Now after cleansing, the next formula is what? A very good exfoliant. And if you ask me, because the only attempt that worked for me to fix my acne spots was to go about it the gentle, hydrating way. I would encourage you to use mandelic acid. This particular one from The Ordinary with hyaluronic acid is very, very good. Don't worry, I'm still going to teach you the steps, but let's talk about the products first, okay? Now, after exfoliating, you will now use your antioxidant serums. I will still teach you how to arrange the placement. Antioxidant serums include niacinamide and vitamin C, because this is the thing. If you're fixing acne spots, you don't want to continue to have acne breakouts. Antioxidant serums are going to stop free radicals from turning and allowing you to have inflammation on the surface of your skin, which results into acne. Now, after your antioxidant serums, which are like your normal staple vitamin C, niacinamide and stuff, you are now going to have a topical serum that is strictly formulated to target acne scars. You can use anything with glutathione. So far you're using it as a spot treatment and you're not abusing it, your acne spots is gonna heal. You can use anything with tranexamic acid. I hate to always just give you guys one brand, because if you guys don't find that one brand, my comment section is gonna be bombarded with, and you're like, give us multiple options. So if you go out there and you find something with tranexamic acid, glutathione, azelaic acid, it would absolutely help with your acne spots. Now, but the one that I'm recommending today is the Topicals Faded Serum with a lot. This serum is packed and it is specifically formulated for African skin that has acne spots, that has hyperpigmentation on the surface. This serum is going to work for you because your melanin shade was factored into the equation when it was being formulated, and it contains azelaic acid, niacinamide, tranexamic acid, alpha-butene, glutathione, kojic acid dipalpitate, licorice root, and all the likes. This is to mention a few. It is right here on the screen, to mention a few. So if you've not tried topicals before and you've been seriously battling with spots on your chest, spots on your face, it is going to work for you. Now let's talk about how to fix it into a routine that is easy, precise, and that you can easily work towards. I'm going to insert a chart here, so you want to make sure you screenshot it. If you want to exfoliate your skin with this particular serum, for example, I would highly encourage that you use it at night where the sun is in, okay? Your skin is going to be in a resting phase and the products can properly work on your skin. So your exfoliant is going to come on Wednesday and on Saturday to remove dead skin cells so that your skin can heal properly and can shed off all those skin cells that already has a lot of that melanin inside it. All right, now let me just mention here that having hypopigmentation and hyperpigmentation, the collective word for the two of them is called discoloration. Let me repeat myself. The moment you say, oh, I have hyperpigmentation on my body and stuff, if you're talking to a dermatologist, they already know that what you're trying to say is your body has a form of discoloration. Now, let's talk about body care products that you can use to fix hyperpigmentation now on your body. When I talk about body, I'm talking about hands, arm, thighs, legs, ankle, from your chest downward. These products should not be used on the face because I recommend body lotions and I talk about body, and some people still ask me, can I use my body lotion on my face? Please, I'm talking about neck downwards now, chest downwards now. All right, some people actually, after all the raving I've been doing, they still don't use exfoliants on their body. Why? How do you? The spots are not going to go, they will not blend in, and it will not heal if you're not getting rid of dead skin cells. And I've talked here over and over again, if you're just starting your skincare and you are on an affordable budget, definitely go for the sugar scrubs, the ones that I've mentioned in the past. But if you want to upgrade and you want to see quicker results with your body hyperpigmentation, a body polish is the best way to go, because that body polish is going to not only exfoliate your skin but also moisturize and hydrate your skin while doing the work of the exfoliation. That's like 3 in 1. A body polish is going to exfoliate your skin, moisturize your skin, and hydrate your skin while exfoliating. That's 3 in 1, and I highly recommend the Dove body polishes. Secondly, you want to also make sure you are lavishing your body with a lot of moisturizers. Stop missing Nivea Perfect and Radiant. If you buy a lotion that is this big, You are supposed to finish this lotion in 3 months if you use it properly. Don't take 1 scoop of lotion like this, only 1 scoop. You use this small lotion, you use it to cream your hand, you use it to cream your leg. This tiny lotion, your skin is not going to heal like that. The best way to heal your skin is to lavish your body with a lot of moisturizing body lotion. All right, use 1 pump like that only for your hand, squeeze another pump, use it for your leg, squeeze another pump, use it for your neck and chest, for your ankle, for your feet. That is how to lavish your body with a good moisturizing body lotion. Okay, now after the moisturizing part, you are going to now go in with the body blending oil. Now this is where it gets tricky. Some of you think coconut oil is going to blend your hyperpigmentation. It might and it might not. I'm not going to say it will work and it won't work. I don't know. The oils that allow the skin to produce collagen include carrot seed oil, lavender oil, rosehip oil, jojoba oil, geranium oil, neroli oil. Those are the oils that allows your skin to produce collagen that then helps your skin to heal scars. So if you notice that you have scars on your legs, mosquito bites, long time accident scar that has refused to go, I'm not talking about stitches now, I'm talking about a dark spot on your body. A stitch you can't fade a stitch. It is already a scar because the epidermal layer of your skin has already been tampered with and it will be there for life. Only if you are able to afford something called laser skin resurfacing, that is when your scar can turn back to normal skin. It is only on that option. A cream, a body oil cannot heal accident scar that was stitched up. Forget about it, sis. I'm telling you the truth. Alright, but if it is a mosquito bite, like a spot, something like a mild inflammation, like a rashy spot or something beats you somewhere, then that applies to it. Okay, so now you're going to use any of the oils that I've mentioned, either the rosehip seed oil. Now please note that these are very, very strong actives in the form of oils, so that I will highly recommend that you dilute it with carrier oils like coconut oil. What you're trying to do with the body blending oil is to blend the scar into your skin. I have a scar here that I have from childhood. I don't know if you guys can see it. It is still there, but I think it was stitched up or something. It was such a deep scar, but the scar is still there. But the pigmentation, that is what I'm saying. The pigmentation has blended with my skin. That is what you want. I'm not telling you that, oh, your skin is going to become like a baby's skin. That is an unrealistic expectation. I'm telling you that the pigmentation there, what we are trying to fix is pigmentation. The pigmentation is going to heal up and it will turn back to normal skin. And the products that I'm recommending for you will help your skin to do just that. Now, after that, you are now going to use sun protection. Don't listen to anybody that tells you, oh, should I be using sunscreen on my body? If your hyperpigmentation is on your body, the last thing you need is a lot of sun exposure on that area. If sun is still affecting and hitting that area, it is going to take longer for that hyperpigmentation spot to fix up and to blend in. What we are doing is blending, okay? And if sun exposure is still tampering with what we are doing, we've not even started at all. So what you want to do is you want to make sure that if the hyperpigmentation is here, you're going to take a little bit of sunscreen and just put it on that area. So when you wear like a sleeveless t-shirt like this one, you can go outside knowing fully well that your elbow is not just exposed and getting darker. Some of you use lightening body scrubs, brightening body scrubs, and your elbow is not even looking like you're using it at all. That's because sun exposure is still affecting those areas. Make sure you use your sunscreen. Make sure you also focus the products on the areas where the hyperpigmentation is. Alright, thank you so much for watching today's video. Make sure you comment down below what next you want me to talk about on the channel. Thank you so much. You guys are so amazing. We hit 70,000 and now I think we are 71. We are 71,000. I really appreciate all the love. I see all your comments. I'm sorry sometimes I can't reply because I'm too busy, but I try to get to as much as I can when I can. Thank you so much for watching this video. Give me a huge thumbs up because it helps the algorithm to push this content to other people who need to see more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one. Bye.